మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నారన్న జితేంద్ర అన్న.
నన్ను మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టారు. ఓకే సరే, వన్స్ అగైన్. సో యా, రాజేంద్ర గారు ఏమడిగారు అంటే సెషన్ లోకి వెళ్ళడానికి ఎలా రెడీ అవ్వాలి, ప్రీ రిక్విజైట్స్ ఏంటి అన్నది అడిగారు. రాజేంద్ర ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా? కొంచెం స్టార్ట్ ఇంకేమైనా? That's the only thing or something?
Yeah, I think how it will be beneficial for the normal person.
Beneficial, అది నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ కదా.
What is the purpose of doing it? I mean, నేను ఎందుకు చేసుకోవాలి?
ఓకే ఓకే
ఉంటుంది కదా నాకేంటి.
ఓకే, సో 10 మంది క్యాన్సర్ వస్తే ఎంత బాగా ట్రీట్ చేసినా ముగ్గురు బతుకుతారు, ఇంకా 7 చనిపోతారు కదా. సో వీ కాంట్ గ్యారంటీ లైక్ 100%, రైట్? సో అంటే నా వరకు నా ఆన్సర్ ఏంటంటే, యూనో లైక్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద బాడీ, ఓకే, విచ్ సౌల్ గెట్స్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ లైక్ కంటిన్యూషన్ టు లైఫ్ పాత్ కదా. ఎక్కడి నుంచి సౌండ్ వస్తుంది? ఓకే, యా. సో బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ రీజన్ చెప్పి సింప్లిఫై చేసి చెప్పొచ్చు, లేకపోతే లైక్ హూ యామ్ ఐ అని చెప్పి అందరూ అడుగుతారు కదా, హూ యామ్ ఐ అని చెప్పి. సో నా బ్రీఫింగ్ ఏమంటే చెప్తే నేను ఏమంటానంటే, హూ యామ్ ఐ అని చెప్పి తెలుసుకోవాలి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. అది తెలుసుకుంటేనే దెన్ వీ కెన్ డూ ఎఫిషియెంట్లీ. లేకపోతే మనకి ఎప్పుడు ఒక అంబిగ్యూటీ ఉంటుంది, నేను చేసే పాత్ కరెక్టేనా, నేను ఉన్న లైన్ కరెక్టేనా, ఓకే. సో సో ఇప్పుడు నేను చేసే పని వలన ఓకే నా గ్రోత్ ఉందా? సో అల్టిమేట్లీ లైక్ వీ షుడ్ డూ వాట్ వీ సపోజ్ టు డూ. లేకపోతే ఒక ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చింది, ఇందాక అన్నట్టు ఒక క్రోనిక్ డిసీజ్ అన్నారు. సో ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ రాజేంద్ర, సో ఎనీ వన్ ఏ డిసీజ్ కైనా రూట్ కాజ్ యాజ్ ఏ డాక్టర్ చెప్పలేము కదా. బట్ వి ట్రీట్ వెరీ కామన్లీ, ఓకే. సో అదే ఒకరికి పని చేస్తుంది, ఇంకోటి పని చేయదు. సో వై అన్నది చాలా పెద్ద క్వశ్చన్ నాకు లైఫ్ లో. సో ఆ వైకి ఆన్సర్ తెలిస్తే చాలా రిలీజ్ అయిపోతాం, అంటే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ రీజన్స్ తెలుసుకోవడం అనమాట. సో
డిసీజెస్ కి యు ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ అబౌట్ ద డిసీజెస్.
yes, సిచ్యువేషన్ కావచ్చు, డిసీజ్ కావచ్చు.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
సో బోత్. సో వై అన్నది మనకి ఎవరు చెప్పగలరు? మన సోలే చెప్పాలి. లేకపోతే మనకి ఏదైతే మనకి గైడ్ చేస్తుందో ఆ ఎనర్జీని మీరు గాడ్ అనొచ్చు, లేకపోతే డివైన్ అనొచ్చు. సో సో వాళ్ళు చెప్పాలి. మనం ఎంత పూజలు చేసినా ఏం చేసినా లైక్ వీ కెన్ ఓన్లీ ఆస్క్ కదా. బట్ అట్నుంచి ఆన్సర్ ఏంటనేది మనకి తెలియదు కదా. సో ఆ ఇంటరాక్షన్ అనేది నాకు బాగా అర్థమైంది ఏంటంటే, ఆ ఇంటరాక్షన్ అనేది ఈ ప్రాసెస్ లో ఉంది రాజేంద్ర. సౌండ్స్ క్రేజీ డెఫినెట్లీ, బట్ ఇట్స్ ద ఫ్యాక్ట్ అన్నమాట. సో ఇంటరాక్షన్ అనేది నాకు తెలిసి మనం ఎంత పూజ చేసినా ఏం చేసినా మనకి అంత వన్ సైడెడే కదా. సో అట్నుంచి దీని ఆన్సర్ ఏంటని చెప్పి ఎలా తెలుసుకుంటాం? సో ఆ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో మీకు ఏంటన్నది లైఫ్ లో చాలా అన్ఆన్సర్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉండిపోతాయి. వై మీ, ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ నాకు ఎందుకు వచ్చింది, ఇది నాతోనే ఎందుకు జరిగింది, లేకపోతే నేను చాలా ట్రై చేస్తాను నాకు ఇది ఎందుకు అవ్వట్లేదు. దెర్ ఆర్ బ్లాక్స్ రాజేంద్ర. సో మోస్ట్లీ ఇట్స్ వెరీ వైడ్ క్వశ్చన్, బట్ కొంచెం బ్రీఫింగ్ ఇస్తాను నేను. నాకు అర్థమైంది ఏంటంటే, ఓకే హూ యామ్ ఐ అన్నది ఒక పెద్ద థింగ్ అయితే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే లైక్ we should know, okay, the purpose of it or the cause of it. So this is from my side. So Ravi, you can add more points.
ఓకేనండి. మెయిన్లీ ఏంటంటే కొంతమందికి ఎలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయంటే, చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి అల్లారు మధ్యగా
Ravi, switch to English, Ravi. So there are people who can understand Telugu.
Okay. So I saw some cases. One lady, she lost her son Okay, what is the reason? She don't know. Okay, at the age of 20, 25, in between, if any son dies, only one son. So what will be the mother situation? You can understand, right? So no one else uh, can can treat her perfectly. If she went to the session and she herself know the answer, then it will be a perfect situation. Like this, there are so many cases. So in that, in the outside world, we don't know how to get the answer. So at that time, we need to pray to God, and we need to go inner self to do meditation. So like that, this is also one of the process to get interaction with the direct higher conscious and to know the answers instantly. So this is one of the mm, other way to interact with the higher conscious and know the answers. And one more thing, and people normally carry lot of karma, lot of baggage in every life. Okay, so at this point of time, each and every person will face some kind of karma. According to that karma, in this present lifetime, at this point of time, they are facing some problems. So what is the problem behind this karma? So why it is uh, treating me such a long time? If they want to know the answers, they can go into this session. So why it happened at the age of 5? Why I got accident? So we don't have answers, right? So why my wife gave divorce to me? There is no answer in the outer world. So like this, there are so many questions to the
Situations in life.
there are so many situations. Not only healing is a one of the part. So people have a lot of emotions inside. They need to come out to get to move on the life in the next life very smoothly. So it will helpful in the many directions. And some people will get continuously same kind of dream. So why this dream is coming to me each and every time? And some people go to some places and they will feel like, oh, I came to this place. I came to that place previously. I don't know, I'm having a feeling like this. So every time, why I'm feeling like this? So there are so many questions inside our mind, and uh, keep on asking
Buzzing.
us, what is the answer, what is the answer, like that. So this is one of the case. So like that, there are so many things. This is the correct, this is the one of the best way to get all the answers and all the solutions, and to clear not only the physical problems, health problems, financial problems, spiritual problems, and connecting with the higher conscious guides. Okay, some people are saying that I'm doing meditation 1 hour daily, 2 hours daily. I'm able to see my masters, but they are not telling to me anything. I'm asking these questions, but I'm not getting any reply. So that kind of persons, they can know clearly. So what are their answers to their questions? So these are the some examples. So if you open a plain paper, and try to put some questions in your life, you will come to know, okay, these many questions I need to know, like that. So this is just an example from my experience I'm sharing with you.
And in so many cases, like
రమామణి గారు వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదని మెసేజ్ పెట్టారు.
అవును కానీ వస్తుంది లైక్ యా ఎవరీవన్ లైక్ ఓకే లెట్ మీ చెక్ రమామణి. ఓకే, రమామణి గారికి మైక్రోఫోన్ లేదండి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్.
రమణి గారు, మీరు ల్యాప్టాప్ లో ఉన్నారా లేకపోతే మొబైల్లో ఉన్నారా? ఒకసారి మీరు చెక్ చేసుకొని మీరు మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి కనెక్ట్ అయినప్పుడు మీరు మైక్ ని ఒకసారి ఆన్ చేయండి. లేకపోతే మీ పక్కన ఉన్న వాళ్ళు హెల్ప్ తీసుకోండి, మీరు కనెక్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు.
అక్కడ ఇంటర్నెట్ కాల్ అని ఒక ఆప్షన్ చూపిస్తుంది, దానిపైన క్లిక్ చేస్తే మనకి వాయిస్ అది వినిపిస్తుంది.
ఎస్, అక్కడ మైక్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఇంటర్నెట్ ఓవర్ ఇంటర్నెట్ అని వస్తుంది, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయొచ్చు. జితేంద్ర గారు కంటిన్యూ చేద్దామండి.
Yeah, let me introduce one more new person, Ranjita Srivastava. So Ranjita, can you please give your introduction, please? And I need your perspective also. Okay, why QHHT? How can it help?
Yes. Hello, everyone. My name is Ranjita, and I happened to come to know about QHHT just a couple of months ago, and it has totally turned my life around, I can say. Firstly, that I did one session with Jitendra sir, and it was amazing. I mean, that experience is like totally out of this world. I mean, I was on my own trying to get something, talk to my higher self and all, but was never able to. So a lot of learnings, definitely. Got to see a couple of my past lifetimes, and so the lessons that you actually see, they are very simplistic. They are not like something very big, but they have so much depth in it. So that was one of, I mean, how you have to have courage, stand up for yourself, make the right decisions, do the right thing, all that. I mean, these were some of the learnings that I took from the session. And they like really, I mean, I can see they still, some of the lessons still have to be carried out and learned and actioned upon even in this lifetime as well. So it was an eye-opening session for me. Anything else that I can add?
Yeah, Ranjit, I mean, it's like, people here, most of them, okay, they want to know, like, it's a crazy thing to have, first of all, and why should we have it? And,
Okay.
So how can we really experience it? Because I don't think anyone else is had the experience of, I think you are the only one in this group as of now who has joined, right? Yeah, you are the only one. And let me tell you one more thing, Ranjita is the only one who has, gone through the online session. First and only. I mean, there is only one online session I have done. That's for Ranjita only, and it's very first time. It's very successful. So very first time it was a 2 past lives we have seen, right, Ranjita?
Two lifetimes.
Two past lives we have seen, and the learnings are very good, and the guidance which we got from them, it's like out of this world, seriously. And
also some very major life issues that I was facing, I am still facing. I mean, these are like phenomenal. I mean, I don't mind sharing. I mean, going through divorce and stuff like that is really big in a person's life, and after a relationship of 15 to 20 years. So I did want to explore the past life with the same person, if there was any karmic cycle, and what actually created the pattern or the trend, and have I seen more lifetimes, and what is the main learning, why were we associated, and what was the karmic pattern, and how I can work on it to get rid of that karmic debt, and all that. So it was eye opening, and it was
it's
wonderful.
like entire unlocking of the life, actually, Ranjita, what I have seen in your case. So there's no unanswered question in the life, so it's entirely like unboxing. So I think like this is the one of the so major miracle is the even the simplest word, I feel, in that case. Okay.
Also, what we sometimes do is we face some challenges in life, and I mean, especially in my case, I was probably like everyone else. We always try to think about why is this happening to me,
Yeah.
and why me, what have I done wrong, and all that. I mean, you don't realize what karma can be and how you can actually get rid of. So I was very keen to understand what the karmic cycle was and how do I break it. So I
Right.
think, yeah, Jitendra sir was helpful in facilitating the session, and I think, I mean, I'm working on getting rid of that karmic pattern. So, it is phenomenal. I mean, it is so at least it relieves a lot of stress on why me and why is this happening? What
Right.
am I doing wrong? So that happens.
Yeah, these questions I think no one can answer. Seriously, no one can answer. Only so it's like stored in our soul and our higher consciousness. So those can be revealed, and
Certainly.
most of them it will crazy until you experience it. So
Yes. And I
The
think if
most,
sorry, go on, please.
yeah, the most beauteous part of this session is we are just a facilitator. We are not doing anything. So
correct.
the person himself or herself going inside and getting the answers by their own. That is the beauty in the session.
Definitely. I mean, of course, I mean, you are throughout the session, you are in your senses. It's not like complete, it's not like that kind of hypnosis that you see in the movies. I mean, this was my first session,
Right.
so I was all apprehensive. How will it be? So it's not like you don't have knowledge about what is going around. Your conscious mind is also pretty active. It's like you're just closing your eyes and uh, while you are able to connect to the higher self. If Jitendra sir wouldn't have been around, it would have been difficult to segregate the conscious mind from the higher conscious. So I think that facilitator is definitely very, very much required, a practitioner, someone who's skilled. So because the like we keep saying, right, the conscious mind is like this monkey. You have to quieten it, and you need to kind of know when one is talking and when higher self is talking. So that I think you need a practitioner who can facilitate and help you out to like that.
And one of the very common question, like so am I speaking, am I making it out? So how do you get rid of that, Ranjita? Because people, even I
Yes,
tell you, some after 2 3 multiple sessions also they'll have a doubt. Am I making it
yes,
out? Am I thinking and am I creating this? So but I think in the very first session only you had that difference between the myself and my soul and my higher consciousness. So can you please explain that? That will
sure,
help.
sure.
Yeah, please.
Sure. Actually, when Jiten sir was asking the question when in the session, and he's asking me a question, and my conscious mind has this emotional connect, and I want to answer it in a particular way, so that what is the future going to be like if the question is like that. So my conscious mind wants to give me a positive response. Yes, yes, I'm going to have a wonderful life with this person or something like that kind of an answer. But when I open my mind, open my mouth in the session and I start talking, I'm saying the words, no, he's not worthy for you. So, so there were like 3 4 points in the whole session where I was like, my mind wants to give me a positive answer that I really want to hear in my waking self. But when I'm talking, because it's my higher consciousness, higher self talking, it gives me the appropriate answer. It gives me as per what is the best for me, even if it is in conflict with my regular conscious mind. So those were the defining moments for me where I really am convinced that it was my higher self. So, and so I work in IT. Like I think most of us here in Hyderabad, they're all related to IT in some way or the other.
Yes.
So with this very engineering logical mind, I mean, it's difficult to kind of believe in. And so I was very apprehensive to start with. But once in the session, when I got these kind of distinctions, I think, I mean, I'm convinced that it was definitely higher self.
And one more thing is, let's say if we making out, okay. So if we are making it out, or if we are imagining something else, and if we say that, there won't be an experience or emotion attached to that. That's what I feel as a facilitator.
Yes, yes. And I
You
mean,
had that experience? Yeah.
I mean, without giving out too many details, I can tell you definitely.
Yeah.
So both the lifetimes, I experienced how I exited both the lifetimes.
That
So yeah, so that was phenomenal. I mean, that cannot be faked. That cannot be like forced out. That nobody can hypnotize you and make you kind of feel those emotions. So it's firstly, this is not a hypnotization, as I can
correct. Correct.
say, but I mean that is what I thought before getting into the session. But and some people, I think, I don't know, properly use the. I don't think that it is uh, correctly called hypnotization. It's not hypnotization.
Yeah.
So so those experiences were profound. I mean, you can without the pain, but without the physical pain, but then you go through the
Emotion.
feelings and emotions, and it's life changing. Yeah, it's life changing. Also, it gives you so much perspective. I mean, like this is not the end of the life. I mean, you have lived so many lives. You will live so many lives after this, and that attachment to one person or one thing. I mean, it feels so trivial after this. Feels so small after this. So it's like, I mean, you can be, and also multiple religion. So one of my past lifetimes I was of a different religion.
Correct.
So this religion is also like so superficial then. God is supreme, but what you call uh, God with what name is all superficial. So yeah, so many things. It changes your perspective with so many things. So amazing.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Ranjita. I think like you are the one of the like if I want to give 1, 2, 3, right? The major person who can actually explain the impact out of it. Okay, people normally they never come up. So these people always have a doubt. Okay, so is this working, or is this a process is worthy, or no? Like so, there's no connection between the question and actually the processes. As you said, even I feel that it is not a hypnotism. Okay, so this is something activations happens and I have no idea how you see the things. So how you see the things? So still have the question.
Uh, so I before the session I thought you will literally see a movie playing out in your head. So I haven't heard other people's stories, but
Right.
it's not literally a movie. It's like you see visuals. It's like when you are trying to remember certain incidences from your life, from your childhood, for example. So you know that you were in that, say, park, and the trees and what the air felt like and what the smells were around you. So it is a knowing feeling like that, I would say. So, and what do you say? So when Jiten sir was prompting me to understand what was around me, so then things were coming not automatically. I mean, I was able to describe as they were. So, are you married, or are you in that lifetime? Are you married? Do you have any children? What do you see? Which room are you in? Is it indoors, outdoors? So I can explain um, uh, as the questions is asked. So I think then it is the role of the practitioner who brings out all those points also, because it's not like I'm not seeing a movie as they show in the pictures or movies. So you have to bring out that feeling and sensations. Okay, so then what are you feeling about this person who's in front of you? So and then I'm thinking, and then okay, I'm feeling very sad, and I feel like crying. What is that person doing to you? I would say I did say, I mean, that person is shouting at me, screaming at me, but I can't make out the words. And I was crying. Jiten sir would know. I mean, our session lasted for 3 hours, and 3 hours I was actually just crying.
Correct.
So yeah, it is a different feeling. I mean, it's something. I mean, you cannot really describe so well. You have to live it to and experience it also.
Lifetime experience that I can say seriously, yeah, because it's unlocking all the life, the answers. behind it, it's like lifetime experience. I felt in your session, and it's so special
Yeah.
to me because it's the online, very first
Yeah.
online. Yeah,
Yeah, and I've never met Jiten sir in person at all.
yeah. Even till now, she never met.
Yeah.
Yeah. So hi Shushumna.
Hi, sir.
Okay.
Hi,
So
Gautam.
hey, Gautam. Okay,
Hi,
Gautam.
sir.
I saw you after long time. So let me introduce Madhurya also. She's with me only today. So it's not a picture, it's a living body only.
Hi, all.
Hello.
So she's the one of the I mean she just lives in my apartment only, and she had some 4 or 5 sessions, okay, with me. And the same question I'm going to ask, okay, why QHST and how does it matters to a human? Spontaneous question.
You're
So,
asking me?
yeah. Because she gave health perspective, right?
Yeah, I've actually not heard completely what Ranjita said, but as far as I've heard, what Ranjita was saying, I also say the same.
Jitendra garu, your voice is, her voice is very low.
Coming.
Okay, just a moment.
Okay.
Let me-
Can you go back and she will come forward? Otherwise,
Yes, take over. Yeah, done.
Yes. Okay.
Done.
Is it clear?
yes.
Yeah, so basically QHST is something which I absolutely have no idea before. And then, bro has been was like one of my client. And then, we both started talking about the spirituality, meditation and all. It all started from there.
Just a minute.
Yeah. So it has started from there. And basically, he used to train me well with the meditation. I was into some kind of depression as well, and at times I was also low. So he was the one who helped me a lot with this meditation techniques, and then and I felt with the meditation itself like so much has been healed with the body and all. And after that, I started believing what exactly is happening. Things have been changing in my life, and he was like very supportive, training me well with this QHST sessions, chakras, and also he was like constantly in touch with me for about like 1.5 years. And then slowly I was into this, and then I got to know, okay, this is something where we heal people, who are suffering from depressions or basically any kind of not disease, actually might be some kind of health issues and all. So I was back to India in December, and then I absolutely had no idea like how would be the feel if I just go into these sessions and all. So one day we have actually tried over me, and then the very first day I think I've been to the past life, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So when I've been to the past life, the way I have seen things over there. Continue. You want to ask me a question? Yeah. So when I've been into the past life, so the way I have seen things is exactly like Ranjita. Basically, I can see if it was my past life, I'm over there in the situation, and I can see exactly what is happening around. It's just like a dream. Basically, I can see everything in real, like the trees, air, I can feel everything exactly like Ranjita. But when it is coming to somebody else, then I am into that situation and watching the scene. So this is how I see the things. It's been like a very continuous talk. Okay, yeah. Any more? Anyone with any questions?
So how it worked to you?
Works to me, I think for every session, basically, I don't know, automatically, I also get healed every time. And it is like, at times I was very stressful at work and all. When I do the sessions and all, I think I'll be very free, like without any stress, nothing into my mind. So I don't know, I just get that feel after every session, and I just feel very relaxed, to be frank.
Yeah, that's one point. But how it's helped to anyone getting guidance, perspective, or like unlocking why the situation happens, kind of. What's your perspective? Why why this situation? Why it should be?
You
I already had that. It's your perspective. Ranjita gave her, I gave mine.
So I feel it is some kind of miracle which is happening through this healings and some energies. Basically, our body is basically an energy. So all these energies, have been passing through. So I think I need to still learn more about it because you and I think
That's
Radhika
there.
is-
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me give you this perspective. Okay. So she's the one who we constantly touch with the Dolores. Dolores, multiple times in her sessions, she comes and she took over the body. And I have a very good interaction and learning and the knowledge sharing from the Dolores from her body. Okay. So explain me this. Okay. When the Dolores comes, okay, what you see? Because this is not you, and whatever you talk, this is not your knowledge, right?
Yes.
So this is like a movie, like something Matrix movie. So someone else is taking over your body and you're
Yes,
talking.
Yes.
So this is crazy, but this is happening.
Yeah, at times it is like the very first time when Dolores had come, I was just sitting back, and like I don't know, it's like somebody is sitting in my body and they're having conversation with Jitender. Basically it was like that. I'm just sitting somewhere else and watching their conversation. I basically didn't know. I am actually not into my body. My soul is just sitting backside, and I could see two people are literally talking to each other, and she's answering and he's questioning. So it was not me who is in the body. So this is how I feel, and whenever like I access the souls and all, sometimes I go into the situation, and when I access this Dolores and might be sometimes Samawar as well, I could literally feel the vibrations and all the heatness in the body. So this all comes into me. That feel would be there definitely for might be 1 2 hours, and then after I go to bed, I think it's all faded slowly.
Obviously it should be faded.
Yeah, and I don't remember anything what has happened in the session. Only just for a couple of hours I can remember some.
So yeah, she's the one who souls. Okay, as he said, right? If it is my session, so if you ask someone else, right? So she can able to access someone else soul also. So their past life in her body. Okay.
I will be the observer basically.
Yeah, in
That
that
is
case, she will be
how-
observer. So she can
yeah.
able to as a surrogate. I have used. Okay. So someone else past life also, someone else higher consciousness also, and the Dolores comes. She's the body, and I mean I used to interact with the Dolores, and very frequently angels. Okay. In fact, yesterday only it happened. Angels, Archangel Michael and Archangel Ariel. So they have come and they have interacted and they have cleared these financial blocks to the client, and everything happened. It's all happened in her body only. Okay, so she used to see these people as a video or what form?
Basically Dolores had come. So Dolores was in my body, and she is the one who is guiding these Michael and Ariel. So she's just standing, and she's just using my body as a guidance or something, and then she's instructing Michael and Ariel, and then I could literally see the powers and all, the lightning, whatever they are sending to clear the blocks. I could see what all blocks are there, and I could see how the routes are blocked and how the way they are clearing the routes. So I could literally see, and I still remember actually. So basically it's all like a white light and and black blocks. So they are trying to destroy the blocks. So like I still see those images and visuals which are happening in the motion picture.
Okay. So by now you guys might be understanding how powerful sessions is happening through that. So it's all up to you. Okay, if you want to know about the like Dolores, it can be Michael, it can be the angels. So you can ask the questions. It's up to you. If you have any questions, anyone. We learned a lot from that. Seriously,
Yeah,
everyone with us, right?
everyone is clear. I think.
So before that, I never know. Okay, if someone have the financial issues, okay, these angels will come and they will clear all this. Even the names also I never know. Seriously, like honestly speaking, these names also never know. After they came and they have done, I just googled it. Okay, and the images are as same as what is like Ariel is like divine white
Yeah.
lady kind
Yes,
of body, right?
Ariel was like she has got wings and then she has got all this white light and she's been flying in the air. And this Michael is like completely in gold and he has got some sword in his hand and he is like very happy person. So he's roaming around, you know, he's just if somebody's calling him, he's just quickly going and then clearing all the doubts or all the blocks and then he's just coming back. So this is how like I could see yesterday, which was happening in the like on top universe.
So if anyone like want more money, you can contact her.
So this is
All the jobs
Shubha.
cleared. Yeah, Subha.
Like in Madhurya's experience, like I know, hi Madhurya. I mean, first let me put my video on.
It's been a while talking.
There is, hi Madhurya.
Hi.
So hi, maybe I didn't. Hi, thank you so much for being a surrogate 2 times for my son. Thanks a lot. I just want to know, like, when you are trying to help somebody,
Yeah.
are you able to connect? I mean, how is their experience for you, like for anybody, not just for me or my son? When you connect to them, you are able to access their higher self, or how is that experience? I mean,
sometimes I am like for some people I would like able to access their higher conscious as well, but for some people I can just scan the body, I can just see where the problems are and I can just heal. So I have got very limited access for some people and I've got vast access for some people.
See, I'll tell you. So here, Subhagaru, there's a depends on the question, okay? So, so I have access to only one person past life from her. So in that case, she accessed the entire past life.
oh, okay.
Okay, so let me be very specific. Okay,
So when you were saying,
yeah. So
when you are saying you are able to connect to them, you are able to see their past life as a spectator from your point of view.
yes. So it depends on the question. Okay, if someone only need healing, so in that case, she just access the body and she her higher conscious can heal them. Okay, so it depends on on the situation.
Oh, okay. So one more question is like, after your session, it must be overwhelming for you to remember all these in your conscious mind, right? Do you still remember, or it fades off like a dream after you wake up?
Yeah, it's basically like
I mean, just curious.
It's basically like a dream. Few things I remember, like all this angels and what is happening. Mainly, like I remember the main point, what is happening over there. But later, I slowly forget everything, and sometimes he tells me, okay, you told this, you told that, that is how I try to remember. But yeah, slowly it fades.
So yesterday it was 3 hours session. So she felt that 30 minutes.
Yeah, I felt it's like 30 to 40 minutes session, and he was like, it's 12 o'clock in the night. I'm like, okay, fine. Yeah, I don't know how long it does take, but I just feel that it is like in minutes of session.
Okay. Thank you very much, Madhurya.
No problems.
Rajendra, you are there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. So your first question, why QHST? You got answer or still you want to?
Yeah, I'm curious to have a session. Actually, we are postponing for a long time. Actually, so it's been 1 year. We are postponing it all. I mean, we don't have the right time to do it. Probably in the coming month, I have to undergo a session so that I will understand the things. I'm curious about it. I mean, the experiences that these people are getting. So I want to know.
Yeah, that's what. So if we know that, then we'll get our point of view. Okay, why this? Okay, why should I go under this? Okay, because it's all like a miraculous thing. Okay, even we are friends from long time. Then these people like has come, right? So still the time has to come. Even Okay.
True.
So yeah. So we have Sushumna also. Are you there, Sushumna? So we'll just.
Yeah, sir.
So we just.
Yeah, I'm here.
So yeah. So like everyone is audible, right? Like Sushumna, can you please?
Yeah, sir.
Vijay, you have any questions today? You are taking time from yours, and you are attending. It's highly appreciated. Thanks a lot for joining us. Not audible. Not audible. No.
I don't think so. He's able to reach you.
Okay. Okay. No. 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 It's audible. Yeah. No.
Hello.
Yeah, Sushumna. You. I mean, yeah. Go on. Your experience. You just take.
Yeah, it was
Relax,
a very.
relax and take your time, and you just give. No issues.
Yeah, sir, because I just reached here.
Yeah, that's why. I just kept you the last thing. So yeah, just take your time and relax. And you can explain.
Okay. Okay, not a problem. I can just take over. Hi, Madhurya.
Hi, Sushumna. Hope you read safe.
Yeah, it was a good journey.
Yeah.
So let me introduce before she talk. Okay. So Rajita, are you there?
Yes, yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, done. Okay, but it will be like most wonderful experience, Rajita. You should listen. Okay, so
Sure.
Sushumna is happened to she wanted a session, but not online. So she just traveled to Hyderabad from Bangalore. Okay, so she just came in this week only and spent some 3 days, and she had multiple sessions, and she just fly back again. Okay, so it was such a like I think it's like a very adventurous trip for her. So
Of course.
so yeah, because people like they postponed like a lot, right? Okay, we can have it a session and all, but she felt that the emergency of that. Okay, I just wanted to have my session, and I should listen to that. So we'll just start from that point. So Sushumna, you just start.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Sushumna. As sir said, I don't need much. I don't think that much introduction is needed.
Yeah.
So let's start with my experience. Like it was all of a sudden, right, sir?
Yes.
It all happened within 2 days. Like I just booked my flight. Everything was done within 2 days. So I had this very big hunch, okay, that I should get face-to-face session with you. So then I just contacted you. So everything went very smooth, and I was there. So after that, next day my session happened. So,
Curd rice?
Yeah. Very
hello.
perfect. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, my
And
kids. Sorry, I'm not.
yeah, it's okay. Not a problem.
Go on, please.
Can I just?
Yeah, I'm muted
Okay.
myself. Sorry. Go on, please.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, yeah. Go on.
Yeah, in the beginning of my session itself, I had my one past life, which was very much needed because it was impacting a lot my present life. So after that, I got my answers. Then in the same session, the next part was I was visiting Mother Earth. So it was very electric because I couldn't tolerate the energy level. My whole being was, I don't know, it was like full vibrating. It was like being sucked into center of the earth itself. So I just can't put into words. So it was
Yeah.
such huge
So much,
experience.
so much energy levels it is. Yeah.
Yeah, because I could just feel my body like I thought it was weighing a ton at some point. So it was unbelievable. I didn't expect to meet her at the first time itself. So it was really amazing. Amazing in the sense, right now I'm in my native, which happens to be natural grounding process for me. So it was all magical, right, Madhurya? Even you were there that day.
Yeah, of course, definitely. I could literally feel your emotion as well.
Yeah, it was very emotional experience. Like, my God, I have never experienced anything like this before.
Yes,
Like anything. The whole healing of the body happened right there.
true. That's definitely.
Yeah, after that, I think I couldn't go much longer, right, sir?
Yeah, I mean, that's what needed. See,
Yeah.
Mother Earth, appearing, Mother Earth, and so interacting with the Mother Earth is someone. I mean, even in this group, for hearing, can you guys believe it? Seriously, I was just like astonished. It's no words. A lifetime experience, and the emotions.
The perspective.
Yeah,
Yeah, sir, please.
the emotions which you had also, it's like lifetime experience. Like so much gratitude I see in your face.
Yeah, obviously she was thanking me. I don't know why. She's so huge. She's thanking me. Like, I thought I would have collapsed in that moment itself.
Yeah.
Somehow I continued.
So as a practitioner, we also like feel the like energy levels. We somehow
Yeah.
I can't explain how we like experience it, but we feel that it was so high. It was so high in the sense like can't explain.
Yeah, because the buzzing I could feel all over my face. Like, you won't believe.
Yeah.
My whole face was vibrating like something. I don't know. I don't know where to compare also.
Yes. Yes.
And the cave was amazing, like literally amazing. It's beyond any graphics
Yeah.
which is present. Like, amazing. In the cave, she's sitting right there. This is not my perspective, it's my field of vision. Like, what I was there in person. It's not a dream, it's not like something which is liquid kind of energy. So, nothing like that. It was very real, very solid. I was there. I don't know what to say.
You are still in the same.
Because, like, yeah, please continue.
No, I'm
You're saying something.
still have the same expressions and emotions, the way you were explaining me the other day. You're still in the same.
Yeah, if I just think about it, no, it all floods back to me. You won't believe. Like, I start shivering also sometimes if I just replay it. It's so high energy. Like, it was amazing. I don't know what else to say. And the cave and the crystals which were present in the cave, it was like, the only word you'll get in this entire session is amazing, wonderful, and magnificent. That's all. Because only those three words in the entire dictionary can match, I think. Right, sir?
Yes. Yeah. Definitely.
And to describe more about the session, the cave, which information what I got in the session is the crystals are like Akash records, I think. It is where the entire lifetime of the souls are stored, of every single soul which is present on the earth. So each person, in the sense, each soul is having one crystal. If you are willing to unlock it, you are free to do, Only the thing is, you need her permission to visit there. That's all. Because it is
Oh,
very like what?
wow, this is Shubha. Everybody's soul is in a crystal form there. I mean, I've been hearing and I'm like, I didn't want to interrupt. Like, I'm just amazed with your experience. Like, I haven't heard anybody's experience quite. And you're so modest, Sushumna, for being so blessed.
Yeah, I'm very blessed to have that experience, ma'am.
You're so humble and modest, really.
Thank you. Because it's an honor to visit there and to just sit in front of her. You know, I couldn't control my emotions also. I thought I'll just break down.
So I heard
Nothing more.
her name is Gaia. Gaia? Something
Yeah,
visitors
yeah.
have told me.
It's I think it's a very old language. It's very like I don't know. It's very old language. That's what I got.
Okay.
I think it's how the tribal people used to address her.
Okay.
So it was amazing.
Someone aware of the name? I'm asking to everyone, Ravi or some Ranjita, like is Gaia is the name something is
Yes.
It is, yeah. It is like Dharti Mata kind of usage is there.
So Sushima,
So Gaia is like
the word
Sorry?
before?
Yeah, sir. I can't remember, but I know that it's there in my memory, but I don't know where because I don't use it much.
So you know, frankly speaking, very honestly, what Sushumna session happened, right? If you allow me seriously, I can explain 2 hours. So that much detail is there in that session. So it's impossible to brief that session, but we are just giving a glimpse of it. So it's completely 2 hours. Also, I can explain that. So such detailed, like every like it's kind of a universe is opened up.
Yeah.
So we are just doing a briefing out of it. And you know, after she woke up, you know, she gave some of the drawings of that. Okay, so let me show up. So yeah, she's the Gaia, like sitting like this. Okay, and it's a universe, and Earth is inside that, and it's the healing energy which Earth is getting. There's so many, so much of details, so much of people it's having. So we are just giving a briefing of them, and lots of learnings also there, and lots of practices also we can do with those things. The whole lot of universe is opened up on that day. So Subhagaru said it's a blessed. She's really blessed to have such an experience.
Yeah, thank you for giving me such an session.
It's all being planning, so we are just facilitators. Okay, as Ravi said, we always are facilitators. So I'm also,
So
Yeah.
we are also watching with you.
Okay. Can I just explain about the central sun because I think it's much needed?
Yeah, you go on.
Yeah. There's no time constriction, no, sir?
Nothing. For me,
Okay. Okay. And can you please show that central sun image?
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
As you see that black part which is there, so that is the highest energy. It's called the central sun. What I got to see. So that is where the whole quantum energy, what we talk, the basic energy is derived from that central source. The circular, what they say, sketches around it are just everything in the universe. And the middle part is where everything resides, what you call the God source or the creator source. So it is where we can find it. So it's powerful beyond anything we can assume.
Yeah.
Because I could just feel those vibrations, and it was just a moment. It was just a moment visit, but that was more than enough for me.
Yeah.
So that is like a billion times stronger than our sun. I don't know if it's enough comparison, but nothing can be compared in front of that energy. So it was so huge. It was amazing. It was amazing just to have the glimpse of it itself. And can we just jump to the second session, sir?
Yeah, that past life you can explain. That was very good one. Yeah.
Okay. The second day, which we had, while we had the session, then another past life just popped up. I think it was way beyond like 200, 300 years, somewhere in the foreign country. I was just a housewife. I was just a girl who got married very early. So then all of a sudden, in that life, I had 3 kids, very young children. In that moment, I think it was like the children were 5 or 6 years old. That's all. At that time, the husband passes away, so I had to deal with all of the things for the whole life. In that life, I'll be doing field work. I'm into this agriculture things and all. So if we just fast forward it to the end, so that's where the main thing happens. So in the very end, I was very lonely.
So it was like all of the like different,
Very,
very very
yeah,
helpless, struggling, alone. You can understand, you guys. Okay, it's very like lonely girl, a very normal guy, very poor and struggling a lot. So no one to help. So how she actually overcome. So this is the most impacting story for me. Okay, seriously, I thought this to share with everyone so that when at times we are low, we definitely use this thing. Okay, so yeah, go on, Sushmana. Yeah, what happened then? Who actually helped you?
yeah. In the whole life, like I was thinking, I was very lonely. I was abandoned. I was not worth it. Like I had my own low issues, and I was very depressed. In the end time, Archangel Michael appeared. So he was like, everything is okay. You don't have to feel that way and all. He's assuring. So the message which I got is he was there throughout the life. He was the one who made sure that I overcome all of the difficulties in that life. So he was the one who was protecting me in such a way that I'll have my own lessons and nothing happens to me. I think he made sure that nothing harmed me in the way
Yeah,
of learning process also.
here what happened is when she was very low at that moment, Mother Earth sent Archangel Michael to her. That's
Yeah.
the starting point. Okay, so
Yes,
Mother
yes,
is now
yes.
helping her. So this is not for it's like everyone. She's there. Okay, Mother Earth sent Archangel Michael to make
Yeah.
sure she'll do right. Okay, yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
it's not like a constrained to one single department. So they all are interconnected. You don't have to feel that I'm certain this, I'm certain that, so I'll not be getting attention of them, I'll not be getting attention of these people. So it's nothing like that. So it's all very coordinating field. If you just exceed human feel, it's all in coordination. Like you won't believe. Religion doesn't exist. It's
Correct.
all energy. That's all. So the main message which I got in that life is you are never alone. Every moment of your life is being observed by great energies. And what else? You have the biggest support which you ever get. That's all. The main message which we got is we are never alone.
Right.
Right, so
Right.
never ever alone. We might think that way due to our mental limitations, that's all. But the real reality is we are never alone. Like for every single soul which is walking on earth, so they're never alone. Never. It might be as low as you think, not even a single person. So each person is having their own angels, own support system, like anything. Like the team is huge, which you have. So you should be appreciative about that. That's all.
Yeah, this is
Should have the gratitude.
yeah, we should have the gratitude and very like last the top 10 learning. So this is one of the things. Then I feel that like they are like protecting us. Okay, so we should just ask.
Yeah.
That's it, as simple as that. So even yesterday, when these financial situations asking for, immediately they came and no, they helped a lot. They they just cleared all the blocks. No, all the finances is coming again. So it's all about you're the right question and they are there to help. Even I never know the names. See, the angels are coming and they're helping. At the same time, in that lifetime, she never know. When we are
Yeah.
looking at the past life, now we found that Mother had sent Archangel and Angel, and he got lot of courage, and with that courage, she led her life completely. But in that lifetime, she never knows. She's just struggling alone only, right? So,
Yeah.
message for me at
My
least.
question,
Yeah, yes, Subhagal.
my question, you guys are so blessed, like you can feel the angels around you. I mean, I think most of us, like maybe at least 90%, we feel like I'm asking for help, I'm asking for help. We feel alone. How do we break it? Like just an advice, like we do feel, I mean, I know by books and all the knowledge, we know that we are not alone, but how do we feel? How do we feel the angels' presence around us? I know meditation is the answer, but still I'm not able to, I keep telling, okay, everybody around me, please help me, but is there any easier way to feel them other than just hoping and praying? I mean, just your opinion.
Shiva Garu,
Sushumna, yeah,
yeah, I'll tell you. When I'm
yeah,
doing my first sessions, I'm very new. So in one of the sessions, when I'm interacting with the higher conscious told that in that room, me and the person who went in the trance, only two people are there, and I'm very junior at that time. So normally we will ask questions to subconscious, right? So at that time, I'm very new. They are start asking and playing with me, and the first time higher conscious told me that, okay, there are so many energies around you, so many souls around you. Right now, in this room, more than 100, 100 energies are around you, and they are looking at you, how you are doing the session, and they are laughing at you. So higher conscious told me like that. So I see like this, and
where, yeah.
where are the energies like that? So from that day onwards, in each and every session, we got the same kind of
Yeah.
hearings. The only thing we cannot, everybody cannot sense them, but we need to believe them. We need to
Yeah.
believe that point. If you strongly believe it, somebody is there, definitely you will get that feeling. Normally, if the power went up, how you feel? Oh, somebody there behind. You will get fear, right? Okay, some ghost or something like that, right? How you get that feeling? That you believed
Yeah.
and it automatically created, right? So at that time, around us, God is also there. Okay, why you are thinking about the ghost? Okay, God is also behind you. You can think like that, and you will feel brave about it. You will not, you will never go into the fear. Am I right? If you are alone,
Yeah.
also, if you feel like, you need to remember that point again and again. Okay, so many good souls are
Yeah.
around me. So many positive energies are around me. We in Telugu also, in our ancient books also, this point is there. God is everywhere. Okay, so God is everywhere behind me, left side, right side. If you believe like that, So automatically that kind of positive thing will come inside you. So you need to make
Thank
it
you.
believe that thing.
And
Shubha ma'am.
Yeah, the more and I mean, yeah.
just,
Yeah, tell me.
yeah.
The biggest wall is your
Yes.
the wall which you build yourself. That's all. That they can't break. That you'll have to bring it down. Only then they can reach you. They're always there. That was the biggest message which I got in that session.
Correct.
So the only way the
Oh,
wall
the one
can
which
be brought
towards
down. Yeah.
is believe, have faith.
Yes, and
No,
you
no.
should do
The
it
only way
yourself.
is to believe and have faith.
Yes, yes.
Mm.
You should be like you should have your own self-worth also, that I'm worth it. That kind of feeling you'll get, no?
Mm.
That you should have.
Thank
I
you
Apart
so
from
much.
that, okay. Thank
I
you.
have a question.
Yeah, Ranjita.
Yeah, my question is for Sushumna. So
Yes,
this
ma'am. Please.
this Gaia experience, I mean, seems like really, really wonderful. Um, can you share, I mean, was there any message for humanity? Was she happy? What was she concerned? I know, I mean, these are unprecedented times, COVID also, but even
Yeah.
apart from COVID.
Yeah.
So anything major, any takeaways, big ones?
The big one is each and every soul matters. Just being here itself, it's a kind of feeling. If you're doing the additional healing, so it's like a bonus kind of feeling you'll get. So you don't have to do anything yourself. You'll have to just be yourself and have that love feeling vibrations, no, that you need to have. And apart from that, you can do the healing. Like you'll get it. I don't know. I'll get like it happens naturally. Um, she's not concerned at all because she's a mother, right? If children are playing on her, she's not concerned. Like she'll have to wait for them to grow up. I think you know that feeling, right?
Yeah.
Because the small kids are just kicking you and all, you'll not be concerned. So it's the same way. She's not concerned because as a mother, even her growth is going on simultaneously. As the humanity grows, as a mother, she's also evolving. So that process is going on. So she's not concerned at all. She's very happy.
And you know, in one point, Ranjita, she said that you destroy me. Okay, we are destroying Earth also, right? Where you destroy me, you hate me, you just curse me, whatever. If you ask for help, I'm there. That word.
Yeah.
I'll just send you, I'll just send you who I'm supposed to send, because in that case he sent Archangel Michael. Yesterday Ariel also came in for other client. Okay, so for the financial blocks and all got cleared up. So in that session, the client asked me very specific question. Okay, I have this financial situation. I want a way, way to that. Okay. Even I never done the name, but it happened, right? So it's all
Mm-hmm.
the way we
Oh,
are.
Archangel Gabriel, you said?
Yeah.
Ariel. Mm-hmm.
And they said
Ariel, Zadkiel,
Ariel,
Metatron.
yeah.
Yeah, they're so
So she said that
beautiful
Ariel
ones.
to humanity, any kind of a depression, any kind of support, you can ask me. And Michael also into the courage and the money also. So both are together. They're working.
Yeah. So whatever I've read about them, Archangel Michael is primarily, I mean, he is the topmost angel, archangel.
Okay.
There are, I think, 26 archangels in total.
Oh.
Like Michael, Ariel, Azrael, Metatron. There's so many, quite a few of them. Zadkiel.
People make a notes, it will help us, okay, for which end, for what, so that even
Yes.
for the time comes, I can use it. Because even without
Yes.
if they're coming, if I ask them, they definitely come and help. Like.
Yeah. So Michael is primarily for security, safety,
Yeah.
and heals also. And Ariel is for bodily healing. Like if you have ailments and you have to get some healing, bodily healing, primarily. So he has the green light. Archangel Michael has the white light. And whatever pictures I have seen, he has blue outfit. So like that.
Okay. And Subhagaru,
So
you asked me a question, right? So in that thing. So I just want to mention one thing because you are with us from the way back 2016. Okay, it's been 4 years.
Yeah.
Great to
Yes.
know, like we also changed a lot, you know. So recent times when this COVID started, okay, Ravikant explored so many things, and you know we together learned. And this is the week actually I applied. I never done these sessions like long back. Only was for Ranjita, like few weeks back I have done, and that too online, and that's very safest way I have done. But for the Sushumna, I have used all of it. So maybe for that only it was the whole universe open.
All the techniques.
Seriously,
Okay.
yeah.
yeah, because for
Oh, okay,
it's
okay.
online, so I don't want to experiment a lot. It's very safest I played. So Sushumna, like she came here and I'm with her,
Oh,
right? So I just it's like a Brahmastra I used and the universe opened. So it's all thanks to the
oh, okay.
yeah. So it's all explored a lot now. It's all like evolved a lot now.
Yeah. And
Okay.
sir, can I just take over? I have my last part to share.
Yes, yeah.
It's the Babaji part.
Oh, yeah, sure. Looking forward to it.
Oh,
Ah,
thank
yeah.
you. Um, I think that
Yeah.
was the
Jitendra sir
last
shared your
session.
testimony, as I heard.
Yeah,
Oh,
go on,
okay. And like he was getting the process started. That's all. I think he was just 2 minutes in, so I was already there. I just didn't wanted to interrupt him,
He
so
went
I
to
just
Himalayas.
let him.
He went to Himalayas. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what. In the process beginning itself, like 3 minutes in, I was there. I just didn't wanted to interrupt you because you had that tunnel traveling and all. So I thought I'll just go. Then again, I came back to the same place and I was just seeing around. When I just turned towards my right, he was there. He was literally sitting there. I thought like it's my imagination. Maybe I'll just escape. Okay. Because like he's blazing, he's glowing like anything.
This is the image.
Yeah. So please excuse my drawing skills. So that's what I got.
Babaji there. So she's a Mahavatar Babaji at Himalayas, and that's it. He just stayed here.
Yeah, I thought I'll just go away. I wanted to escape, but he's smiling at me and he's saying, "No, you can't escape. Not at this time." So I was just kind of stuck there. So he was just giving messages. See, all these days you were searching me. Now you are here. Why you want to run? You can't escape. He was just smiling at me. So the smile was more than enough for me. And he asked me to do meditation. And that message is for Sir also. Apart from that, it was like very magical because he was blazing like sun. You won't believe in the whole forest. I think it was the same time around 5:30 na sir. We just started the session.
Yeah.
We had started around 5:30. I think it was in the same time. So the weather was exactly same in that moment. I don't know what to do. Like I was just standing there. He was right there in front of me. He was like, "You can't go." And next to him, it was Lahari Mahasya. So he had his smile. So that's all. I and Babaji was interacting. It was amazing. Amazing means like ultimate amazing. I don't know what else to say. And apart from that, nothing else. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. I don't know. All the words are like amazing, magnificent, wonderful. That's all. I don't have anything other than that.
So this is not any past life or anything, Sushumna, right?
No,
This
no,
is not a
no.
past
Yeah.
life. It's just in this life, you just went there.
Yeah,
You just
in
went
that
there,
present.
right
Yeah.
like this in this present.
Yes. This
Okay.
was not a
Yeah,
past
wow.
life, not future. It was in that moment.
Now, yes, at that moment, you just teleported or transported, whatever you want to call, you are there. That's all.
Exactly. Yeah. I thought I'll just escape. Okay. I don't want him to. I just don't want to face him because I was very nervous. So he was like, no, you can't. Hello, sir.
Yes, yeah.
Yes.
So can I just leave, sir, because my battery is very low and I just came
Okay.
like
Thanks.
200 meters away from home just to get the network.
Thanks a lot. Yes, Sushma.
Okay,
Hey,
thanks
Rishabh, stop.
everyone. Thank you, Shubha ma'am.
Thank you so much, Sushumna. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sushma.
Okay,
Thank you.
I'm just signing
Thank
off.
you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Not Rishabh, go.
Okay, Sushma.
I can definitely say, I mean, that this these sessions are, they are like mind blowing,
Yeah.
and we can see, I mean, Sushumna has just come out of one, and just recently, and I mean, like you have goosebumps, and you have like you're vibrating with that energy.
Right.
So yeah, for the first week, you're like on that high. All the
Yeah, it is like, too many incidents happened, and like lot of learnings from the aliens also. Okay, as the battery dies, so she somehow forgot also. So there's a biggest story for the aliens also we have got. Like, it's a blue earth, so it's called a spiritual earth. They have come and they have interacted me also. Hi brother, how are you? We are the child of the same creator. It's like wonderful interaction with them, seriously. Okay. That's what I said. If someone allow me, I just go on the 2.5 hours only for those sessions. That's it. Okay. So the greatest so one of the greatest learning for me is angels, the very first thing. Okay. So you just know them, or you ask for the help, they are with us. Instant. Okay, so this religion thing, I don't want to like compare, but the thing is, they said it's like, we are with you. Okay, if you ask some goddess, they'll send us only again. So it's a combined team.
Oh.
So it's a combined team. It's not like it's a Christianity, it's a Hindu or something else. Okay, if you ask for help for Vinayaka, we will come. So it's like a combined team. Okay, it's like different streamlines. Okay, and the Madhuri also was.
It's like we see Vinayak. Sorry. It's like we are asking for Vinayak because we believe in him. We see him in that form. But basically, it's these angel energies only. Like, is it so, Jitendra?
I mean, it's
Rishabh, stop. Rishabh.
like they also sent them only. Okay, so this is like, it's a hierarchy is there. I mean, it's a parallel hierarchy is there. Okay, so there's so much of learnings. Okay, even this Mother Earth are saying that, okay, you just think of us, and I'll send you to the person or the energy which you wanted. So kind of, so it's all like, there are like multiple hierarchies are there, parallel hierarchies are there. So
Hmm.
yeah, in one of the conversations they say you just need a very simple thing, and you're asking Vinayak, you don't need to. We'll do for this. We'll do. We can just fix it for you. So it is like we never know to whom to ask, right? We just give you someone and we'll ask, and they will coordinate by themselves, and they do. So it is like,
Mhm.
so it is like
Okay. Jiten garu, please do share these sessions, whichever is shareable and is not personal with
yeah, definitely.
their
This is what I
permission.
just wanted to more people to
Because you're saying it's 2 hours. Yeah.
yeah, that is
Yeah.
reason I just want to have sometimes this Zoom thing, because everything I can't text in the group and I can't explain. Okay, so these interactions are
Yes. Yes.
much needed actually.
Yes.
Yeah, if you can record and share your experiences, that also, I mean, you can send on, like, you can make 15-minute videos and share on
That's
with,
yeah, that's what we planned, and yeah, Ravikant most of the time he also
okay.
does the videos and all, but it's time consuming, right? So this interaction will be like
Yeah.
instant. Okay, we'll have a call, and like in the call we can
Hmm.
simply go on and explaining. Okay, so this is, I feel that it's
Yeah.
simplest.
Yes.
This is
This is
more
good as well.
effective.
Yes.
జితేంద్ర గారు హలో
Bishop, stop.
జితేంద్ర గారు మీరు కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. ఐ హ్యావ్
We are done.
అనదర్ కాల్.
No, we are just closing. Okay, if anyone have anything, they can just ask, or we'll have one more. Okay, we'll
యా
have
మేబీ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ ఆర్ 15 days later.
frequent meetings. So, so it's all based on your interest in the group, and
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for facilitating this meeting. I
yeah,
mean, I'm sorry about the disturbance of my son.
that's okay. Yeah, it's
I
okay.
was muting in between.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even I thankful
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone.
Ranjita to share her experience, and whoever the share her
Yes,
experience.
thank you so much, Ranjita. It was really,
No, thanks.
I
My
mean,
pleasure.
thank you. Thank you.
It's our soul family. That is what I believe, and we just keep on doing a good work. Okay.
Yes. I can share one resource for aliens. There is this lady, Elizabeth April. She has tons and tons of videos, and she has been channeling, and she has a YouTube channel. I can write her name here.
Okay. You can text the group.
And
Rajita, you
yes, yes,
do that in the group. Okay. Here it's all.
yeah.
Yeah.
So she talks
Yeah.
about the Pleiadian groups and the Greys and the different species and how humanity came into being and everything. So it's really a good resource.
Oh,
I'll ping it on the. I'll get the details on the group also.
sure, sure. And she draw one image also. See, this is the alien who appeared on that day. Blue eyes.
Yeah, blue eyes.
You recall. She just saw her on that day.
Is that blonde? So then that could be possibly Pleiadian species.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Came
Yeah.
out and just drawing all of them. It's all their planning. Okay, so it's all happening. But we can use them. Okay, we can think of them, and they'll help us. Okay. Okay, then thank you everyone for attending it and sharing your views. And we just meet again if you don't have any questions. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye.
Good night, everyone.
Bye. Bye.